was set to fly back to Victoria after visiting her grandmother in Saskatoon last.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Rocky View number 44. At 4:27 p.m., a rotating severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado is located 15 kilometers south possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Uh-oh. There's a tornado warning about this.
Time will contact our passengers directly. But according to air passenger